You having some trouble there, sir?
I cannot see my cameras on my phone.
Well, here's your first problem. In order to use EVP, you're going to have iOS or Android. Why don't we take a look at the tutorial I've been working on?
For this tutorial to be successful, you'll have to have already set EVP up on your phone. If you have not done so, check out our guide, link found in the description at the bottom of the page. When the app first starts, it will likely place you on the live view. From here, you will need to tap the home icon in the upper left corner of the screen. On the home page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap the message tab. When we get to the message page, you'll see no entries listed as we have not yet subscribed to Recorder. To do so, tap the bell in the left-hand corner. You may have to agree to a small privacy statement if you have not been to this page before. Tap the radio button and tap OK. You'll notice that our AI recorder we have listed in our phone is closed as we have not yet subscribed. Tap to get to the next screen and then enable the slide bar on the far right. After enabling the bar, you'll see a list of options appear. The most common notification types are IVS and motion detection. We're going to start by enabling those, so click Motion Detect. From this page, tap Motion Detection. You can enable all of your cameras using the radio button at the top, but we're going to be just selecting our IPPTZ. When done, tap back, and then tap back again to get to the list of notification types. We're going to choose IVS here. And then we're also going to be working with cross-line first, so tap that. We're going to enable our first camera, tap back. We're also going into cross-region and we're going to enable that as well. Tap back until you get back to the notifications screen. When you're done setting all your notifications options, and you can check and see the numbers of types set here, click the save icon in the top right-hand corner. That's all you need to do to have your notifications set. Before we leave you today, we do want to take a look and see what it would look like if there is a notification that goes off. So we're going to take a look at the live view and watch our IPPTZ as I actually cross through one of our IVS rules. Let's take a look. You'll see me come in from the right side of the frame, and it should trigger an IVS tripwire notification as soon as I cross this white line, causing me to check my phone. There it goes. We're also going to show you the drop down here so that you can clearly see that we have a notification for IVS crossline. Thanks again for joining us today as we learn how to set up notifications for EVP. Till next time, have a great one and stay safe.